rainy alley, a tiny white kitten sat alone, cold, wet, and forgotten. A chubby orange cat saw her, and without a word, offered warmth and care. At home, she dried the kitten, made warm milk, and built a safe, cozy bed. As the kitten ate, her eyes sparkled for the first time. She felt safe. Days later, they strolled through the park. The kitten was healing and curious. A stumble scared her, but the orange cat was there, gentle and comforting. That night, they read stories by a warm light. The kitten drifted to sleep. Together, they slept, hearts full, paws touching. A new family found.